the simplest, but that's what I look for, is just like tighten this up the right inside at when a stock is in a mature base. And yeah, we've got like, this could be, there's an undercut and rally setup
and
here.
This is a absolutely beautiful shakeout here too. So this is, I don't mind when price does this at all. This does not bother me in the slightest bit when price gives a healthy shakeout underneath the base. And I remember the market gave a follow-through day on the 8th, hence the gap up. Surprised that a stock would gap up with the market, because that's exactly what stocks do. They tend to move in lockstep with the market, but some better than others. Micron being a leader, I ended up buying this on the 9th on effectively the little undercut and the reclaim of the 50 simple moving average. We could take it down to a smaller time frame and look at the actual setup itself, but a pretty straightforward setup nonetheless. When you look at just what a 620 setup looks like, and it boils it down to a 5-minute chart, you know what the market's doing, you know what group it's in, you know that these things are super strong. It reclaims a key level. The market just gave you a follow-through day, the prior day, technically, and now you've got a smaller time frame to get in and then to manage risk on a smaller time frame with the bigger picture context in mind, and also with the market environment having changed regimes into a potential, we just got the follow-through day, now it's time to start getting not aggressively long, but it's time to start getting some money to work in the market, and doing so quickly, especially if this is going to be a valid follow-through day. Getting positioned anywhere from the 8th all the way up until, middle of April, from the 8th to the 16th or 18th or 20th makes total sense to me. And then obviously, we all know what the market does from there. So
yeah, and one more thing that was a little bit of a tell for SNDK is MU, the base before this. If you could go back to this, no, stay on MU for just a sec.